This video is for drummers who might have a hard time applying rudiments to their playing. That's today's drill. So after you get the hang of a new pattern and you start feeling like it's second nature, that's actually when the work really begins. So you won't just magically be able to apply it in a performance context. You kind of have to intentionally work towards using it using different approaches. A lot of drummers tend to skip this step, but it's a very important one. So one of the best ways to naturally incorporate new material or develop a flow with two or more patterns is to practice randomly switching between them as fast as you could think about them for any length of time. That's one way to practice for sure, but there's another layer to this, phrasing. And that's how you pick, organize, and express these patterns in a way that makes musical sense. So today's drill is taking what we've built up from the basic 3/1 and 5/1 hand-foot rudiments, and we're going to push it a little further using this phrasing drill called AB. A is a pattern with 3 hands, 1 foot, while B is 5 hands, 1 foot. Here's a quick reminder. Now move between A and B in different orders. Just collecting more patterns here. What we're trying to do is learn the language of drumming by understanding how rhythms and stickings come together to help us speak through our drums. Now, most drummers are really good with repetition, but don't tend to spend a lot of time exploring. And then there are some drummers who love to explore every which way, but for some reason they don't really anchor it with solid repetition. But that's where these drills come into play. So don't be in a rush to move on either. In general, you want to practice a few things and go very deep with them. So this week, take a moment to narrow down your goals.